I asked probably 40 brokers, said, what's the number one problem in your business right now? And when we actually got down to it, 98% of them was consistent leads. That's the number one. And I figured that'd pretty much be the answer to that, or process and systems, or potentially you need to grow and you have your team and you need to hire and train and you don't like doing that, but consistent leads. So then I said, okay, so what are you doing about it? You know, it's the number one problem, right? It could double your revenue in 12 months. You now just go solve it. Like, how much of your day is spent solving that one problem? And interesting enough, very few people were like, oh, I spend all my day. I prospect and I'm reconnecting, and I'm following up with people, and I'm working on my marketing and I'm building out all this content. It's like, no, it's like, yeah, I know I should do it. So how bad is the problem? Are you okay with X amount in your bank account, knowing if you go do this, you get that? And when I reverse engineer and I go, what would it take for you to get consistent leads? And they would just go, oh, I would do this and I would do that. And I go, okay, so what would it take for you to do that on Monday? Oh, well, I just do that in a time block and I put in the calendar. I said, okay, so then what would it take to reestablish those relationships? What would you say to the people? How would you re-engage them? What would you say the reason that you should meet again would be? Oh, I'd probably do, you have the answers, kids. The answers are right here. You've got them. They're all around the people around you. So it's just interesting enough. You know what the number one problem is. You're not doing anything to address it. And if I just sit and ask the same question over and over again, so what would it take to do that?